Hi there, welcome to SIBYLS Mail-in HT-SAXS. To get the most from your collection, watch this short video. You'll need to use this specific 96 well full skirt plate and this rubber mat to prevent evaporation. When you load your plate, we recommend collecting 3 sample concentrations between 1 and 10 mg per mil with 2 or 3 identical buffers, one before and one after the concentration series. Use these following formats to load your plate: buffer, low concentration, medium concentration, second buffer, or high concentration and third buffer, or buffer, low, medium, high, and a second buffer, or buffer, sample, buffer, and so on. But in this last example, there will be fewer samples in the plate. We recommend loading 30 microliters of both sample and buffer. A consistent volume is most important. Less than 25 microliters can cause bubbles. Our robot uses a specific spreadsheet to determine how to run your samples. You can download the template from our website, fill it out, and upload it to the SIBYLS SAXS database. A link is on the website. Here's an example of a well filled out spreadsheet. In the first column, put your lab name. You do not need to change anything in the second and third columns. For the sample ID, please use only letters, numbers, and underscore, no spaces. In the collect column, an X tells the robot to collect that well. In the directory column, add a lowercase b if there's a buffer in that well. In the wash after column, an X tells the robot to wash the sample cell after it's been collected. We recommend washing after the highest concentration and before the last buffer. And finally, in the comments column, please let us know what volume you loaded. This is really important when we calibrate the needle. And tell us the percentage of glycerol or detergent you used, if any. Remember that more than 2% can cause bubbles. Before you pack your plate, make sure that the barcode is taped securely on the side of the plate. Or, in permanent marker, write the lab name, the shift date, and any other information you think we need to know. Actually, even better, do both. For packing your plate, put your plate in a plastic baggie or wrap it in parafilm. Surround it with 2 cold packs and secure it with a rubber band. Put that assembly in a styrofoam box and surround it by frozen packs or cold packs. If you're sending a frozen plate, you can put it in dry ice. Please make sure to indicate the temperature of the contents on the outside of the box. This is important if there's a delay in shipping. These are examples of how not to pack your plate. Please do not fill it with wet ice. And again, make sure it's tightly packed. Otherwise, your plate's going to bounce around and it could lose sample or evaporate by the time it gets to our lab. And finally, ship your plate overnight to arrive on the first day of the shift. The shipping address is on the website. And please email me the tracking number so I know when to expect your plate. That's about it. Thanks so much for using the SIBYLS Mail-in HT-SAXS program, brought to you by IDAT, DOE, and SBDR, and supported by the Lawrence Berkeley National Lab and the Advanced Light Source. Thanks so much, and good luck with your preparation.